Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, that is Software Testing Sapiens, bringing to you another requested topic which is about Agile methodologies. So before we get into this video, please hit the subscribe button below, and we want to reach out to every students, job seekers, employees who needs our help, and you could be one for helping us to do that. Let's start with our video. So today we are going to see what is Agile, principles of Agile, what is Agile Testing, Scrum Process, types of Agile methodology, interesting questions and answer. Here we will see two questions here. Next, disadvantages of the Agile model, advantage of Agile model. What is Agile? Agile is an updated version of the spiral model. Agile is an iterative and incremental approach where requirement keeps on changing. As a company, we will be flexible enough to take up the requirement changes at any point of time. We develop and test the changes, and we can give quality software to customers within a short span of time. In Agile, there will be good interaction between the customer, business analyst, developer and test engineer, wherein we directly interact with the customer and get the feedback and develop the changes and test the changes within a short period. We can give quality software to the customer. The main goal of Agile is customer satisfaction through the quick delivery of a working piece of software. Let's see the principle of Agile. Principles of Agile. There are 6 types of principles are there. First one is customer can change the requirement at any point in the development stage. Second, releases should be short. Third, our highest priority is customer satisfaction through quick delivery of a working piece of software. Fourth, developer and test engineer will conduct a lot of meetings, regular intervals in order to improve the quality of the process. Fifth, it is a simple model to adopt. Sixth, there should be good interaction between business analysts, developers and test engineers. What is Agile testing? Testing the software or application by following the principles of Agile methodology is Agile testing. Types of Agile methodology. There is 7 types of Agile methodologies are there. First one is Scrum methodology, which also called as Scrum Process. Second, feature driven development, short we called as FDD. Third, extreme programming. Fourth, lean and Kanban. Fifth, adaptive software development method, short we called as ASDM. Sixth, dynamic software development method, in short we can call as DSDM. Seventh, crystal clear. Let's see the interesting questions and answer on Agile. So first question is, based on what criteria developer will give an estimation? The answer is understanding the requirements, designing the high level design, low level design, writing the code, code review, white box testing and fixing the defects. Second question is, based on what criteria test engineer will give an estimation? Understanding the requirements, writing test scenarios and test cases, reviewing test cases execution and defect tracking. So let's see the Scrum process. Here we can see 15 terminologies in Scrum process. First one is release, second epic, third user stories, also we called as story cards, fourth story points, fifth swag, sixth sprint, seventh sprint planning, eighth Scrum meeting, also we can call as daily stand-up meeting, ninth sprint retrospective meeting, 10th release retrospective meeting, 11. Bug triage meeting. 12. Product backlog grooming. 13. Bug bucket. 14. Chickens. 15. Pigs. In next upcoming video, we will see the more about Scrum process. So let's see the disadvantage of the Agile model. It is very difficult to handle long-term projects. Least focus on designing and documentation. Experienced people in the company will take up the decision with a respective project wherein there is no space for fresher to take decision. Advantages of Agile model. Investment done in a proper way. So this is about Agile part 1. In next video, we will see more about Agile. So hope you did like this video. Please do like, hit the like button, comment, share with us what are more videos you would like to see, any queries that you have, how did you like this video, and how we are doing as a channel. Subscribe to our channel because you need to be part of this growing software testing community. Help share this video with all the students, job seekers, employees. Thank you so much for watching Software Testing Sapiens, and we will be back with more videos. To get the future video updates, hit the bell icon. Thank you.